All right, we are at Arizona Electric Fest 2018, the year of our Lord.
Tony, you're still going to do another one after the
I am. I'm going to do a night flight so we can see all the lights.
That's the one I want to do.
Yeah,
Yeah.
All right, we have Victor checking his 5 with the new Freewing F-4 Phantom.
So I put the 2 clicks of down back in if you want to change it back to the 2 clicks up. How do you feel comfortable with it?
Holy moly, I just lost this thing vertically because it's so underpowered.
Yeah, that's the conversation we're
yeah, because it's so underpowered. I just lost it as it shot up like a Saturn V rocket. Oh my God. Anyways. Hey Tone, what is this thing running? I mean, or rather, what? It's an F4.
It's F4D model.
D. Okay.
90mm 9-blade fan. It's got a 3748 1750 kV motor in it. Yeah. 130 amp ESC. Currently running on a 6S5000, which Vic's flying right now. Roaring top pack in this one.
Holy moly! 130 amp ESC. That's sick.
She hauls the mail on
She is.
There's a lot of conversation I briefly read today.
Yeah.
Questioning its power, but you
there
can see
always is. There always is.
In this particular, in a clean configuration. Now we haven't flown it with the full loadout yet.
Okay.
So we've just been enjoying the power and performance in the clean configuration.
Right.
We're going to put the tanks on it probably tomorrow.
Okay.
And mess around with it a bit, see what it does there.
And this is the plane's. We're talking basically international debut is at the Arizona Electric Fest.
Correct.
We're talking international debut.
Yes.
So.
I wish we could do the a slow flyby.
Yes.
You want slow? I'll give you a little slower.
Yeah, do me slow. That didn't sound too good.
That didn't. I was chomping my lip.
I'm an old lady. Just put up with me, please. I mean, I'm not that old.
Oh goodness! Hey, that's awesome. No, hey, we're all having fun here.
This is for Larry Ayotte. This is what his dad flew.
Look at that.
Yeah, and you got half flaps in it, right? Yeah. For that, yeah. Yeah, it really slows down.
Tony, you taking off on half flap or full half flap?
No flap takeoffs.
Okay.
Yeah, it comes off the ground even quicker because it's not fighting the down thrust in the flap. So it rotates beautifully.
Landings.
Landings, no flaps, half flap or full flap. It behaves beautiful. Full flap, you get a little bit better lock in the angle of attack once you set the approach.
Okay.
But hell, I've landed it with no flaps and it just sets in beautifully.
Brilliant.
Full flap, obviously, if you're on a shorter field, maybe a 300-foot runway.
Yeah.
Nice to slow it down, but hell.
Can I ask you? I mean, did you fly this at your secret test facility off a dirt strip, or you're strictly
have not
pavement?
because right now it's real sandy. We haven't had a lot of rain in California, so it's super sandy. But we took it out to a road.
Yep.
Flew it there. It's not my normal flying site, but we just happened to see it one day, and I said that's a good place to go. Fly
it's somewhat secure. So sure. Okay, well, I was wondering how she.
Yeah, we were in the Scale Composites backyard of the Mojave Air and Spaceport, a couple miles away from there. She locks in really nice here.
Vic's got her locked in.
She settles in. Great suspension gear.
Oh, come on, Vic. Beautiful.
All the way back here and taxi it in. Okay, good.
Beautiful. Look at the.
Yeah, you see the dirt coming up.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
When you taxi, watch it kick up, see little puffs of sand off the ramp there.
Dude, that's so cool. Yes, it is.
Yeah, we need a smoky F-4, so that's about the best we can get today at Arizona. But the lights are starting to show up now as the sun's getting lower in the sky.
Yeah, they are. Look at that.
The sun down below the horizon.
Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Good job, Vic. Of course, expect nothing less.
He likes his selfies.
Okay, go stand beside us.
So what do you think? Hey, pilot's impressions, real quick, Vic. What do you got? Hit me.
Yeah, so this is the new one for Freewing, the 90mm F4. As you can see, it's pretty big. It's pretty big, single 90mm system. We're running a 6S5000 on this one, and I got a little over 3 minutes of flight time. Being pretty aggressive on it. I'll get more if I pull back.
Okay.
But flies great. Lots of power in the stock system.
Yep.
Nice suspension, trailing link struts, and their scale. You know, you got.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. There you go.
Main gear down there with the folding gear doors and whatnot.
Yeah.
That's great. The flaps on approach.
Yep.
Fantastic.
Okay.
I only landed with half flaps too. So, you know, as I get more comfortable with the plane.
Here's your gear here, and we'll do the old suspensions gear. So, like the A10.
Look at that. Look at that. Yeah.
The shocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you know, if you know anything about Phantoms, it's that they don't fly slow.
Okay. but she on take. So
this one definitely gets down real nice and easy.
Yep.
It's very forgiving, no tip stall or wing rock characteristics.
Yeah, when you were flying her slow, you ultimate in confidence, very confidence-inspiring aircraft.
Yeah, it's still a Phantom, so you know you got to keep a little bit of airspeed. Don't think you're gonna go flying backwards, but it's right. Fast,
And she locked on the approach, and you were just like, hey, let's just control the rate of sync with the throttle and bring her down, and right.
That's right.
Awesome. All right, thanks guys. Thanks Tony. All right. The new Freewing F-4 Phantom. All right, coming soon from Motion RC. And this is the international debut. International debut, and we're at Arizona Electric Fest 2018.
Yeah, it's nice, right?